I'll now hand you over to Sonali to moderate the panel discussion.
So I'd really like to start with you, Ronita, on first, your repartee on the various points of views. And, let's get straight to the discussion on who, according to you, should be taking the lead, marketing, finance, or purchase.
Let me start off by saying that, this may just sound politically correct, but that's not the intention. I think that is a reality. I don't think there is any one function that can that can have all the accountability or the responsibility. The shift has started. It happens at certain levels. It doesn't happen at all levels. So I don't think frustration is the right.
Fair enough. I'd just like Hitesh to come in at this point in time and take Ronita on when she says that, it's gotten to a situation of extremes where there is just too much cost control and really everything is not about cost, quality, and taking on from her example of, for instance, making an ad or deciding on an agency.
Well, definitely in current times, cost control or so-called austerity measures have definitely taken over and has been a major factor in almost all the decision making. Particularly on a marketing spend, it's a typical situation while putting up a proposal for any kind of marketing spend. Marketing person will always project it to be a kind of investment, and finance person will always look at it as an expense.
If you can go straight on to address from a more holistic point of view on these, if something fails, for instance, if a campaign fails, who would you hold responsible? Who will lose their job? Who will not get that good appraisal? Who will not be promoted between the three verticals?
Sure. Accountability and responsibility is actually used interchangeably by many people. But in Hindi, it is much easier to understand.
Sure, go ahead.
It is Jimmedari and Jawabdari. So the guy who has to do it is the responsible guy, and the guy who has to answer if it doesn't work is the accountable guy. Now, in my mind, all the people who are looking at this together, they have to understand that they are accountable for value delivery and profit.
This is in your entire experience of 25 years. If you have ever noticed anything that, any kind of situation where the marketing and procurement have been at loggerheads, and what are those issues really?
Sure. One has to take accountability as a team because it's a teamwork that has failed. So you can't really say one person or one department out of this congruence of people is really
but
at fault.
Why? It might be the lack of efficiency of one particular vertical, right?
Yes, it could be. And that's, again, I would blame the team because one has not challenged the other or not got out the best from the other.
That's a really safe place to be. I mean, if I screw up, then I'll blame three other people, right?
Not necessary.
Because it is a very safe place.
It could be. It could be. In most cases, it could be. But what would be right to say is that, yes, we failed here, and this is an area for improvement. Failure leads to improvement if you accept that it's a failure.
Expertise lies with marketing, right? Cost efficiency and working that out lies with procurement, right? And final call will be taken by finance, and which is why you say it's collective response. So clearly, does everybody agree that it has to be collective as we reach the end of this discussion?
Well, it has to be collective, but it's not necessarily finance that will take the final call. It has to be the CEO because each of the CMO, CPO.
Meenakshi, if I can ask you for your viewpoint on the panel and your key takeaways as the closing remarks.
I think it's essentially, it has been a rocky relationship and, we have been in that sense at the receiving end from both sides because, we've got finance who wants to deal with us, we've got marketing who actually has to deal with us. And very often we end up finding that while I'm really happy to see this panel, everybody is very comfortable with each other, but every one of you has actually let slip some amount of the issues that you face in terms of this whole business of walking the tightrope between doing what is right and doing what you are meant to do. But unfortunately, we are all human beings. We all have our biases. And therefore, we all, want to protect our turf and our territory. And just like the marketing guys want to protect their turf, the finance guys want to protect their turf, and the procurers want to make sure that nobody steps into their space. So I think it's bound to happen. It's inevitable. But we seem to be moving along the path quite nicely. And, a plug for spatial access, I think we're sort of becoming the glue that holds everybody together.